Okay, so we're in some good news right now, man. All this wind's really coming out of the west right now. So I'm actually parked on top of the kayak landing, and if this was a true northeast wind, I would be sitting in the about 2.5, 3 feet of water right now. So water's not even over top of the dock area. Great news. Wind is kind of cooking northwest. So if you can imagine this hurricane, if this is the track coming in on us right now, it went north of us. That wind comes in through here, but we get this west wind pushing back toward my chest, which would be pushing back out toward the ocean. It's not even high tide yet. Looking east, so it's coming from the west. That's great news for us because it blows a lot of this water out, even though the tide is still coming in for another hour. Wind's cooking probably about 40, 45 miles an hour, gusting at 60 at some points. I came down really because I was concerned about these boats right here. If we had a east wind, if this storm would have come further track down toward us on Folly, which it would have not, these boats would have been kind of getting close to some water areas right there. So we're doing good, man. This is real good. I've seen a lot worse down here. Prime example, you know, what I was just now talking about, wind blowing out of the west. That was covered yesterday at not even really a high tide, the paddleboard rack. But yeah, man, this looks great. You know, not even water out here, not standing. Bathrooms don't have water to them. I've seen so many storms out here, just even high tides with northeast winds on a blue sky day get higher than this. So for as possibilities, this is a really good scenario.